Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how does Credit Builder Card work in Chime. To get started, you first need a Chime checking account and a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200. After that, just open the Chime app, go to Settings, and tap Try Credit Builder. Once you're approved, you'll move money into your secured account from your debit account. This amount becomes your available spending balance, so you can't spend more than what you've added, helping you stay in control. After adding funds, you can start making purchases anywhere Visa is accepted using your Chime Credit Builder Card. Each purchase deducts from the amount you moved into your secured account. If you want an easier experience, you can enable the Safer Credit Building feature. When it's turned on, the money you've set aside automatically pays your balance on time every month. Since payment history is an important part of your credit score, paying on time helps you build credit responsibly. You can turn this feature on anytime through your account settings. Chime reports helpful information to the credit bureaus to support your credit growth. They report your on-time payments, account age, current balance, and any past due amounts. Since there's no preset credit limit, Chime does not report credit limits or card utilization. That means even if you use your full available balance, it won't show up as high utilization on your credit report. This can make it easier to maintain a healthier credit profile while you build history. It's also normal to have a current balance, and with safer credit building on, Chime can help ensure it's paid automatically. Building credit takes time, so think of it as a long-term habit rather than a quick fix. Using your card regularly for everyday purchases and making payments on time can help improve your credit over time. Many members have reported an average credit score increase of up to 30 points. If you're looking for a simple, no-interest way to build your credit, consider applying for Chime Credit Builder and start creating positive credit history. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.